Here's a quick video to show you how to change a filter in your Shop-Vac. All Shop-Vacs are basically the same. They're going to take one of two types of filters, two sizes. Mine is the large filter. I'll put a link below for this one. There's also a small filter that some models take. I'll put a link below for that one as well. But for this one, we're using the large filter. This is a 14-gallon Shop-Vac. Let's get this started. All right, the first thing we're going to do is pop these tabs on the side, just like that. And that's going to let us take off the top. You turn that top over and you can see the filter, and this one is super dusty. To remove this, we're going to take this piece here and turn it to the left. It just pulls right out. Then you can just pull the filter off. Again, this is going to be dusty. I'll have a little cleanup after we're done. All right, next, we're going to take the new filter, place it over. Take the top, and turn it into place. Just like that, you're good to go. You can flip this back over. Locks back into place and you're good to go. Hope this was helpful. Give us a thumbs up.